What's cooking, foodies? Today we are making 3 delicious Thanksgiving side dishes: twice baked sweet potatoes, sautéed bacon, garlic, green beans, and Italian sausage and cranberry stuffing. To make your twice baked sweet potatoes, puncture potatoes with a fork and bake in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 60 minutes. Peel and dice enough green apples to make 1 cup. Sauté apples and 1 cup dried cranberries on medium heat. Cook for about 6 minutes or until apples are softened. Then turn off the heat and add 1/4 cup maple syrup, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, half a teaspoon nutmeg. Remove from the heat. Take sweet potatoes out of the oven, allow to cool before slicing and hollowing out some of the center. Add 1/4 cup milk, then mash your potatoes and add your holiday spices and fruit. Mix well. Stuff your holiday sweet potatoes and then rebake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for another 15 to 20 minutes. Before serving, drizzle with honey. For our next side dish, chop up 6 pieces of thick bacon and cook in a skillet until done on medium heat. Set aside, leave some oil in the pan to saute your green beans. Trim the ends of the green beans, then saute on medium heat for 4 to 6 minutes. Cover and let cook for another 2 to 4 minutes. Add your garlic and cook for 1 minute, and then put the bacon back in the pan. To dress up our stuffing, cook 2 packages of box stuffing. Cook 1 pound of mild Italian sausage on medium heat. Drain and then add to your stuffing. Add a half a cup of dried cranberries and you're done. I hope you enjoyed. Happy Thanksgiving.